Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Private Internet Access, also known as PIA. Before I start, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. Alright, now let's talk about Private Internet Access. PIA is a popular VPN provider with a large network of servers in 84 countries. A large portion of these servers are in the US, which makes PIA a great choice if you mainly want to connect to US servers. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, pretty good speeds, no bandwidth limit, a no-log policy. That's pretty much everything you're looking for in a VPN. If you've ever wanted to get more familiar with Private Internet Access, this video is for you. I'm about to show you exactly how to use this VPN and enjoy all of its benefits. I'm going to show you how to use Private Internet Access on Windows, but don't worry, it's the same principle on macOS, iOS and Android. That's because the Windows app is quite similar to the macOS, iOS and Android apps. If you don't already have Private Internet Access, now is the perfect time to visit vpn-club.com/PIA to take advantage of an 83% discount on PIA. That's just $2 a month for a subscription, plus you also get 3 months free. PIA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, let's get started. First, I will show you how to connect to a server. This is where you can choose a country you want to make it look like you're in. PIA will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. They have servers in the US of course, but also in the UK, Canada, France, Germany, Spain, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, Japan and so on. PIA has servers in 84 countries, ready to cater to your every need. What's more, for some countries, you can even choose to get an IP from a specific city. In the US, for example, you have New York, Denver, Houston, and so on available. As you can see here, my IP address locates me in Nice, France. I choose a country, the US for example. I click here, then here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Atlanta. As I'm now connected to a secure VPN server, my internet traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel that nobody can see into, including hackers, governments, and my ISP. I can now browse the web and download with more privacy, as well as access websites and apps that are blocked in my country. Note that Private Internet Access is also P2P friendly. Now you probably don't need to keep your VPN app open like this at all times. You can make it disappear. Here we don't see the app anymore, but the VPN connection is still active. It will remain active until I press this button. Once you don't need to use Private Internet Access anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. Let's talk about settings. There are general settings of course. You can choose a protocol, OpenVPN or WireGuard. Depending on your activities online, you might like to choose one over the other. There are also network settings, privacy settings, including a kill switch. A kill switch is an option that automatically cuts off your internet connection when your VPN connection stops working. This is to make sure that your personal data is not accidentally compromised and that you keep your confidentiality no matter what. Highly recommended for torrenting. You can also get a dedicated IP if you need IP restricted access to private networks. You can also set up automation rules. Here is a split tunneling option. There is also a multi-hop option for an extra layer of encryption. I won't go into detail in this video, but as you can see, there are quite a few interesting options. Of course, you can expect the same smooth experience on other operating systems as well. So how does this all fit into your virtual life? Whatever you want to do, make sure you establish a VPN connection first. For example, if you want to visit a website that you know is blocked in your country, start Private Internet Access, connect to a server, and then start your web browser and go to that website. Same goes for apps, games, and so on. So now that you know more about Private Internet Access, you can tell it's a pretty good quality VPN. It's a premium VPN, which means it's not free, but it will outperform any free VPN out there and many other competitors. PIA is a safe, reliable and fast VPN with thousands of servers in 84 countries. This is a perfect choice if you're after fast speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, 24/7 customer support, up to 10 simultaneous connections, plus the app is compatible with all operating systems. If you don't have a Private Internet Access subscription yet, make sure you visit vpn-club.com/PIA or click on the link located in the description under this video to take advantage of an 83% discount and 3 months free as a gift. Remember, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. So get yourself a subscription and see everything it can do for you. PIA is one of the best VPNs your money can buy. I highly recommend that you give it a try, so use the link below and sign up today. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.